welcome to Bedroom Busters and Bites, Season 2 with Tahani and Friends. I want y'all to enjoy some wonderful conversation, real talk, and just everything in between. And believe me, you worth serving more than just tea.
Diddy bopped out the fire, evolved, whacking these fastball sliders and all. The Andrew McCutcheon of music I ball, translucent where you think that you seem dissolved. Got more things I'm bagging and getting it off. Got them more twitching and itching. Who girl is watching, I give her a fixing. Foreigns and lollying just like a stitching. But that ain't your broad in the morning.
Hey everybody, welcome to Bedroom Busters and Bites with Tahani and Friends. And I'm so excited to tell you guys that I have cousin Augusto Kennedy here, also known as Gus, Chef Gus. And he's here to chop it up with us today. I'm so happy to have you, cousin.
Thank you. I'm so happy to be here, to be honest with you.
Yes.
I'm glad that everybody can taste my chicken. So, you know, in Memphis, they got Gus's famous fried chicken. And I went down there and I tried it. It was really delicious. So I wanted... But to be honest with you, where I had good chicken was her mother, my auntie Lois. She know how to make some good fried chicken. So I just want to add a little spice to it because I'm Latino, so I'm Afro-Latino. So I put a little Latin kick. So it's Gus's Latin fried chicken. And I put a little bit to make it a little color, right? Yeah, you gotta have some style, baby. You gotta be, hey, you gotta cook with love. Hey. Whoa. You know, throw a little spice in there.
What's that? Wait, what's that you throwing in there now?
So this is Adobo Picante. Hey, you gotta have a little bit of your garlic. You know? Woo!
Okay.
All right. That was a workout. But you know, it's labor of love, baby.
Labor of love. You know what? I could just feel the love already, Gus. Like, I don't eat meat though. But guys,
But you guys eat meat, right?
yeah, and they're gonna enjoy it.
I'm so sorry.
Chicken, I know. I'm sorry too. So let me
Hey,
just
listen, I can also do seafood.
but
we can do that for the next one.
yeah, next time we'll do seafood. So Gus, let me just tell you guys something really interesting before we finish with this amazing recipe. Did you guys know that in South Carolina, if a man has sex with a woman, he has to marry her? It's illegal if you don't. That's a buster. I just had to tell you that because I read that, and I know it's a lot of women that wish that South Carolina rule existed in other states. You know what I'm saying?
I'm sure it's still happening in South Carolina, but who's telling?
I had to get that off my chest. But yes, Gus, I'm so happy to have you here today.
Thank you.
We all are. And wait a minute, I have to introduce our beautiful, beautiful makeup artist, Emma. Everybody give it up, Emma. Okay, so guys, let's get started. Gus, let us know about this dish. Like, let us know where it came from. Let us know, exactly.
Well, I told you where it was inspired from, right? From Uncle Lois. So, and Gus's, so I just wanted to kick a little. She always. I was very nervous to do this because if y'all had Lois's fried chicken, y'all know it's the bomb.
Yeah.
So got my little flour.
A little flour.
We gonna take my hands is clean.
Okay.
But
I
we
didn't
do
see him
this.
wash his hands. No, I'm just gonna say. Let me say that's what I do. So yeah, we know it's clean.
But just to be safe, let me put a couple of pieces in here.
Right.
So
while you do that, quick thing. You and I were talking the other day, right? And you asked me how many female friends I had.
Yes.
Yes, because this is a very interesting topic that he and I was discussing. And honestly, I can't really say I have many female friends, and the ones that I do speak to is like far in between. What Gus was basically saying, was
I feel that men have longer relationships with their friends, and what would happen is we'll have a fight or don't get along or something, but we'll chop it up. It's over. A female can be friends for 12 years. They can have a big fight. They never speak again. But if it was a relationship with a man, she'll give it 50 million tries. I just wanted to know why is that? They don't. But when it comes to woman unity against a man, no, it'd be
male bashing.
Oh yeah.
That's a good point.
Good question. Let me just start off by saying this. Women can be very catty, so therefore a little underlying hate there sometimes. So the first time you see something happen, you already know it's an issue there. So therefore, anything negative after that is on you because they already showed you what's up.
That's a good point, Frenchie. What you think, Nala?
I don't know. I guess some women are stupid. So like they'll because they'll choose a man over their friend. Like if their friend tell you like he's no good for you, blah blah blah, they'll choose a man over their friend. It's like no, it's
That's
just,
true.
It just depends.
And then don't even tell their friend about what's going on.
Yeah,
with
they act like it's not-
because she said that.
I ain't cursing out my girlfriend's men no more. I learned that.
Yeah,
They
just
be
stay
right
out
out
of it.
I stay out of it.
What you think,
Best thing
Emma?
you could do.
Back to like why there's a lack of female friends because females are like jealous of one another and then it's like there's not a lot of like uplifting, so that's
Yeah.
why.
I agree. Let's get the male's perspective over here because it is true, Gus. You're right. It is true. Like you guys do speak to each other.
I mean, the only reason why I can say that is because a friend is just only that. And a lover is different from a friend.
That's a good
So
point.
that's the only thing I can say is, I mean, it's
Different
still one of the
boundaries.
same, but they still distant.
And different boundaries
Exactly.
too. That's
You know
true.
what I'm saying?
That's you know what? That's a good point to bring up. Do you think that well before I even get into this, Gus, you just added chicken just to the hot grease. Yeah, he just added chicken to the hot grease and it smells really amazing. But that's a good point that strategy just made. What he basically said was that, you know, there are different boundaries and that's true. I feel like for me, like for some reason, I feel like with the spouse, they get more of you than what you would give to your friend. Like with your friend, you're gonna get, well, you would hope you would get honesty and trust and love. With the spouse, you get honesty, trust, love, intimacy, friendship. You know, so that's kind of
Very
like
true, but what I'm saying, okay, how about a scenario, he said it's different boundaries. You friends with this girl 10, 12 years and you just met this guy, right? You just met this guy and your friend sees him flirting with another. She comes and tells you and then it's like a big spat. How is it like she doesn't get the benefit of the doubt? It's because automatically I think that she's being petty or jealous?
I mean, I think that signs in a friendship would have shown previously if you could trust her or not. Like, perfect example, if you have a friend, right, and your friend knew the whole time what kind of car you was driving, and all of a sudden you go pick her up and she gets in the car and don't say nothing at all, like nothing at all. She sees you have a ring on your finger, doesn't congratulate, like say, hey, that's like, that's me.
I got another question on the same line as that.
Yes.
So now, when they come back to female, now what if a female, you know, compliments another female? Like some females take that in a positive and negative way at the same time too. Like, cause you could get a compliment from another female and then take it like, you know, like, oh man, she's hating, even though she did congratulate me, she just hating me because it is like this and I am like this. Or it could be like, you know, thank you. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that. You know, you look nice too. So it could go either way.
I think, go ahead.
I also feel like it's how she says it.
Yeah,
Some females will like compliment you and then like they're with their friends and as soon as you turn around and like they're like,
Yeah.
That's what I want to know because I don't really know.
That's cute. Yeah.
That's why I'm asking. Because I don't really know.
I'm gonna be honest with you. If I compliment somebody, you really have to be beautiful, especially if you're another woman. Because sometimes I get in the mood where I get on Facebook and I'll just be like, "You are gorgeous," and you're not that cute.
Oh, wow. So when you be telling people, okay, so don't ever tell me that. I don't ever want to hear that from you, girl.
That's my point exactly.
But I would
That's
like
my
for
point
you
exactly.
to acknowledge me because what gets me is if you're not that cute and I say you're cute, don't just like my comment. Like have enough decency to say thank you.
Thank you, girl.
I'm just gonna like it.
Taking a compliment.
Glad I
Yeah.
asked that question because I wanted to know. Thank
It's a
you.
good question, I think.
Appreciate that.
An excellent question. That sounds like, that smells like it's getting real spicy over there. So did they expect spice in this one?
No, so usually sometimes I like to flavor my oil, so I put just a little bit of hot red peppers and like just to give it a little kick, you know? That Latin kick that I was telling you about.
Oh, so while we're gonna continue cooking this, I'm gonna actually get some napkins out, and you do have some that's already done,
Yes,
right? Gus?
we
I
do.
have some for you guys to taste. It's so tempting. Oh gosh, let me grab. I was actually gonna go inside of the daggone what do you call it? The drawer to get the chicken.
The chicken.
Out the drawer. What type of cooking would that have been? Here you go. You can do it since you're the chef. That looks so lovely and delicioso. Just put it right there. Delicioso, guys. Okay. Oh,
Okay.
this probably would have worked.
Oh,
You know how Mama D is about the counters.
I don't want to get on her bad side.
Right. So guys, we're gonna
Because
taste this
you ever
chicken.
had her beef ribs?
Right, exactly. I'm gonna get this for the people. And Gus is gonna continue to check on that chicken. But I think you guys made some wonderful points. And I think that women should be a little more, I don't know, a little
be
more
nice.
Yeah, nicer to each other. And then maybe some of the men's characteristics can rub off on the women. The good ones. The good ones that the men have. Okay? So I'm gonna do this for you guys, and I'm sorry, I would really love to partake in this delicious chicken, but unfortunately I can't. But we know that Gus did his thing, as always. Here you guys go.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. And I definitely want to know what it tastes like. Oh, bedroom buzzes and bites. Oh,
This looks delicious.
that looks like less than Carlito. Oh, I hope my hair wasn't in the food. If it is, thank you. Still love you guys. Okay, guys, let us know what it tastes like. It's kind of hard. Sorry. It says slap.
Yep.
This is good. Good.
You're not just saying that now.
No, it is.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's so good.
crab.
This is delicious. 1 to 10, guys.
12.
Ooh, I love that. That's right.
Hey, thank you so much for tuning in, guys, to Bedroom Buzzing and Bites with Tahani and friends and our new cast member.
Thanks for having me.
Yes. Bye.
Bye. I'm going to be eating a lot on the show, trust me.
Hey guys, it's challenge time, and today we're going to be having them try red bean mochi.
Disgusting.
So,
Finish it. Gets the $20. So, pick a name.
let's see, let's shake it up.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna put 2 names.
Yeah, it's 2 names. And I'm finally at the table. Hey.
Well, what do you know? It's the honey.
Yeah! Finally at the table.
Oh, man. You're not supposed to look in the bag. I just see you look.
And Gus.
God!
Here he comes.
Yes. You got to pick a white.
Pick a white. Which one?
No.
So what am I supposed to do?
We have to finish it all.
Finish the whole mochi to win $20.
Is that cold?
No, it's room temperature.
Oh,
Which
that shouldn't be a problem.
Okay.
Which flavor would you like?
Whatever.
I think they all
Ladies
taste the
pick.
same.
Choose yours.
Lady first, he said. Hey, what happened to your chef hat?
I took it off. I ain't cooking.
Okay, enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, please finish the mochi. If you can't, then you lose.
Oh, wait. Oh. You lost.
How does it taste?
Disgusting.
Wow. It's bearable.
Who made these? How are these in the store?
What do you think about it, Tiny?
I like mochi. Actually,
Oh, you like it?
I can do it with tea, yeah.
There's beans in there.
It's delicious.
Red beans.
It's actually good. I like it.
They said these are disgusting.
Okay, so Gus is the winner.